Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about what to expect from an initial consultation with an attorney. There's two general types of consultations. In one type, you are asking the attorney to learn all about your case and give you specific legal advice on the spot without trying to retain them for anything further after that. So it's kind of transactional, and this will generally be a paid consultation because you're paying for their time in learning about your case and giving you advice, and you're not hiring them for anything after that. And it's usually a small fee. The other type of consultation is to determine whether you want to retain them for a larger case, something like a divorce, litigation, estate plan, real estate transaction. In these consultations, attorneys won't generally give specific legal advice without being hired first. There's a lot of reasons for that. But the purpose of the consultation isn't to get specific legal advice. The purpose of the consultation is, one, to determine whether you want to hire the attorney, and two, for the attorney to kind of give you an idea of what your next steps might be and what your options are if you were to hire them and what the costs associated with those options might be. So the consultation will generally follow this pattern. The attorney will ask you to give them a little bit of information about why you're calling an attorney, what your legal goals are, what you're trying to accomplish. And this is a brief summary of what's going on, not all of the facts of your case. Then the attorney will ask you some targeted legal questions to allow them to diagnose what the next steps might be for you and what your options are. The attorney will then kind of tell you what the options are and what they recommend doing and what the cost of moving forward might be. So when I say they won't give specific legal advice, if you're just calling to ask a specific legal question without doing anything else with the attorney, they're probably not going to answer that question without it being a paid consultation. If you're deciding whether to move forward on a divorce or a litigation case, the attorney will kind of tell you what your options are, what your chances of success are, and what the costs associated with moving forward might be. At this point, you should be thinking about whether you like the attorney and want to hire them. And it's not just whether you like them, but it's a bunch of different factors. Some things that I recommend thinking about are whether they have the experience level that you're looking for in the particular type of law that is involved in your case. Two might be whether you have a rapport with them, whether they're talking to you in terms you can understand, and whether they're down to earth. And three would be whether they're being realistic with you about your chances of success and the costs associated with that. You definitely don't want someone that's trying to sell you on signing up with their firm or blowing sunshine at you. So at the conclusion of the consultation, you should have a pretty good idea of what your options are, how much it might cost to move forward, and whether this attorney is a good fit for you. At that point, if you decide you want to hire the attorney, you'll be transferred to the office manager. The office manager will come in the room if it's a in-person consultation, and the office manager will kind of talk about firm policies, how communication works, how retainers work, and have you sign an attorney retention agreement. And at that point, that's where you can, the attorney will dig in much more deeply into the facts of your case and start giving you more specific legal advice. Consultations can be by phone or in person. At our particular office, most of our consultations, like I said, are free, and we have a lot of geographical locations that we don't mind meeting you at. And phone consultations are often a great option if you're a far distance from the attorney or you're not sure that you have something that is worth moving forward on. It can be much briefer than an in-person consultation. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please give us a call, 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.